Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Minimalist Gourmet, where today I'll be teaching you how to make deep fried Oreos. That's right, this indulgent classic fair food favorite is quick and simple to make. I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. For our batter, we're going to begin with 1/2 of a cup all-purpose flour, and to this we will add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Next, we have 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon salt. Crack in 1 large whole egg, followed by 3/8 of a cup whole milk. You can use any milk that you have on hand though, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, we need to mix this very well. Essentially, we've made a pancake batter here, so you want to mix this until everything is well incorporated, but you don't want to overwork it, otherwise it'll ruin the texture in your finished product. Once it looks a little bit like this and you don't have any lumps and it's nice and creamy, you know you can stop mixing. My calibrated hand tells me my oil is up to temperature, which is 350 degrees, and that means that we can drop our Oreos into our batter. Now, you do not want to put your cookies into your batter early or before your oil is up to temperature, because if they sit in here for any amount of time, they'll get soggy and be no good. Coat your cookies evenly on all sides with your batter before scraping off the excess on the side of the bowl and gently placing them into the oil to begin cooking. Now, you do want to work relatively quickly here, but always safely, of course, to get these Oreos in, as they take very little time to cook. So you don't want a huge gap between the cookies that you're placing in, so you can pull them all out at the same time. Now, once you have your Oreos placed into the oil, they do not take much time at all to cook. They're going to take about 90 seconds to 2 minutes total cooking. So we're going to start them off on this first side here and cook them for about a minute before we flip them onto the second side to make sure that they can cook evenly. Allow them to cook on this second side for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute until they are golden brown and delicious all the way around. By the way, the amount of batter that I have listed in the recipe will easily make you a good 12 or 15 deep fried Oreos, so you can always double it if you have a big party. However, you still want to fry in smaller batches. Once they are golden brown and delicious all the way around, they are ready to pull. Now, you really don't want to overcook these, so go ahead and pull them out and put them onto a paper towel lined plate or bowl so they can drain for about 30 seconds before you eat them. Also, you do not want to let these sit around for too long because they do not hold. So make them and eat them immediately. These have a fantastic combination of textures. The outside batter becomes light, airy, and a bit crispy. And surprisingly enough, if you've never had these before, the Oreo cookie inside actually gets to be nice and soft and slightly chewy. So it really is the best of both worlds. To be honest, these need absolutely nothing to be perfect, but if you'd like, you can add a little bit of powdered sugar to the top. Or might I add that these go fantastic on a bowl of vanilla ice cream. You should definitely give that a try. I mean, hey, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Guys, it really is just that easy to make this delicious fair food favorite in your home tonight. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I really do appreciate your time today and hope that you've taken away something positive from this video. I hope to see you all again here real soon on the next episode of Minimalist Gourmet.